How to get Domino's pizza coupons. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can get Domino's pizza coupons and offers. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to download the official Domino's application. Then you have to sign up into your account or log in if you already have an account. Then all your digital deals will be available within the application. So once you open up the application, navigate to top left, then you have to tap on the menu option or menu icon. There again, search for coupons. Tap on coupons, and once you land on your coupon piece, you will find your daily deals and other mix match offers, which will vary by location and change weekly. So from there also you could check out various offers. Also, you could earn free pizza with Domino's reward. So every order earns some points. So once you hit 60 points, you may get a free medium to toppings pizza. So make sure that you earn or you have enough points to earn free reward in Domino's pizza. You could also follow Domino's on social media like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, because they occasionally drop some flash deals, exclusive promos, or free pizza contest in their social media account. So make sure that you keep your eyes out on social media account as well. You could also search for other online sources such as Simply, Codes, or Groupon, where you can find the Domino's pizza promo code. For that, if you head back or if you close Domino's and head over to Google, and in the search bar, if you search for Domino's pizza coupon code, scroll down, you could head over to couponfollow.com. There are limited amount or limited coupons available. You could check out them, copy the code from there, and apply it in your Domino's to get the amount as mentioned here. So here the first one have 70% off, 20% off, and so on. So you could also check it from there. So these are some of the ways that will help you unlock Domino's coupons and the deals. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.